How one arrest can collapse a legit business. I want to be very clear from the start. This isn't a rant, and it's not a sob story either. It's a case study. A few months ago, I was running a logistics business that I had spent a couple of years building. I traveled the country scaling it, onboarding clients, and doing everything quote unquote by the book. Then in Florida, I was falsely arrested. Imagine that. The charge was eventually dropped, but by the time that happened, my business was already gone. Not because it failed, but because once a single system labeled me a risk, everything else followed. Accounts froze, deals paused, trust completely evaporated. What shocked me the most wasn't the arrest, it was how fast everything unraveled. And that's what this challenge is about. Not what happened, but what it revealed. Because if your business can't survive one unexpected disruption, it was never as strong as you thought. In the next videos, I'll break down exactly what failed, why it failed, and how I build it differently today. If you're a founder, you need to understand this before you learn the hard way. Learn from my scars. I'm sharing the rebuild in real time. So if you know you're in the right place, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button so you don't miss the next videos if anything I said resonated with you. So I just want to reiterate, this channel is all about building anti-fragile businesses in a broken system, because most founders are taught how to build, but not how to survive. This channel isn't about what I lost, it's about what I learned. So going forward, I'll be breaking down real world lessons on branding and sales that actually convert, capital, cash flow, and founder resilience, crypto, blockchain, fintech, and Web3 without all the hype. How to build businesses that don't collapse when one system fails. I'm rebuilding in public, smarter, stronger, and with better infrastructure. If you're a founder, builder, or investor who wants to survive and scale in a broken system, you're most definitely in the right place. So again, don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. And I also have a GoFundMe. I'll post a link as well for anyone who wants to support. You never know how far a dollar can go.